Hi, this is Stan. Welcome back to the Crow's Nest Railroad. Well, it's moving day, so join us. We're here at the intergalactic headquarters of Rubber Star Engineering, and today's moving day, the 15-inch gauge trolley gets moved onto the trailer and taken up to the museum track. Tons of excitement. So let's take a look. Hey, those floorboards look great, Bob.
Don't they look great? I know.
Nice. Great color.
And we've got
nice seats.
Nice seats.
Nice.
So we're hoping that everything will work out and get this in place for our final arrival at Sahuaro Central Railroad, and that's in Adobe Desert Mountain Park, Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah, as always, I'll put a link down below so that you can check it out. They've got a Facebook page as well. We can see the trucks are going to stay on, it looks like. So let's take a look at the trailer shenanigans here. Got a nice ramp, tow strap. We're going to try and crank this thing up. So let's get busy. Is that the end?
We'll never get it.
Damn shit, Neil worked hard.
You ready to go?
Boom. Nice job.
Okay, I'm going to hold on to that thought because I'm going to raise the bumper block slightly for that knuckle. I don't want the knuckle to ride up as it bounces down the road and losing everything. So I'm going to put a little.
You can see the coupler right now is jammed against that block. And the ribs on the base of this trailer work just fine for rails.
Yeah, farthest back.
Hi. Will that be adequate?
Alright.
Is that working?
I mean, it's not doing anything right now, but...
I'm kind of holding it.
Okay. So let go and see what happens.
Okay, well, here it comes.
Anywhere today, I was just allowing more time if we needed it to load this project.
So you're telling me I've got enough time to build another trolley yet today?
Alrighty, that went well. Now we got this thing backed up. And tomorrow it's going to go up to the museum,
Stove.
the Sahuaro Central, and find its place on the rails up there. Pretty exciting. And we'll get it all strapped in safely for travel. Well, listen, Bob, you did such a great job on this trolley. It turned out so well. And I know it's been a long process, what, like 6 months?
It has been since we brought it in January, middle of January, and now we're getting out just after July.
Yeah.
4th. So it's been a challenge for all of us. We had to come up with trucks for it. We had to come up with the frame extensions, welded the extensions on, 15-inch on each end. We had to come up with seat frames. We had to come up with seats, and as well as the whole roof structure, including part of the ribbing that was missing from the original wreck that we brought home.
And a big thanks to Tim as well for all the welding and the help with all the painting. And
Tim Isle, he's been a real help for us, and I can't thank him enough for this. And because he's foolish enough to say yes, he's going to work on the ore car project as well.
Excellent, excellent. Well, that'll be coming up, and we'll be sure to get lots of film on that. But this is headed off to Sahuaro Central tomorrow, and hopefully the next time you see this trolley, it'll be running on the rails, all happy the way it was meant to be. Thanks so much, Bob.
You're welcome, Stan. Thank you.
All right, well, that's a quick update on the 15-inch gauge trolley. Next time you see it, it'll be on the rails up at Sahuaro Central. Hope that was interesting. A short update, but lots of fun. We'll see you right here next time.